In this video, I will show you how to make decals in Roblox 2024. On your Roblox account, go to More and click on Create. Click on Creations. Go to Development Items. On Uploading Asset, maximum number of files to be uploaded is 1. These are the formats and the maximum size. I will upload here. I will input the name, and description. Click on Upload and choose the file. And click on Upload here. And your new decal will reflect here. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!